about me. About me You never write me and you never call. I wonder if you think about me at all. You were once my age, you were just like me. I wonder if you ever look back and what you might see. I know that times are hard, you're busy and all. I still keep on wondering if you think. Do you think about me at all? You came to stay with me once long ago, but you never come